Oh my god, I've been dealing with allergies. Allergy season right now. What's up, y'all? It's been a minute. AlphaDrive1 Formula Performance Video. AlphaDrive1, what a name like Formula, because F1. Isn't that Formula 1? Interesting. I feel like it ties hand in hand. First time I watched Formula was on the Mama Awards, which I reacted to the Mama Awards performances on my Patreon. Oh! It's out there for free. Just go click the link, become a follower. It's free. Like all the performances. My God, there's a lot to talk about. I think the only person I know right now is Leo, because I was able to interview him on my podcast. I'm a co-host of a podcast called Ultimate Bias K-Popcast. Got to interview him and have a bro moment with him.
I like your accent. Where's it from?
Australia.
I love how I can see your knees. I wish I was as tall as you.
I wish I was tall as you.
Interesting.
It was a good one. It was a good one. We played Mario Kart and everything, but he's now on AlphaDrive1, and yeah, from what I heard from the Mama Awards, their performance, I liked it instantly as a performance, and now they released the performance video, and that's why we're here now. All right, before I begin, be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to your boy. Be sure to like it and be sure to comment. It tells me if you want more videos like this. Subscribe to my new gaming channel called Hey Dre, which features my beautiful girlfriend Hedgen. We'll be uploading more there for more gaming content. Again, I live stream on Twitch here and there. I used to do it every day, but life got away. And yeah, without further ado, I'm excited to check this out. Is there captions on? There is. And let's just get into this, shall we? In 3, 2, 1. Bow! Oh, what in the... Is that the Silver Surfer? Hello?
Stepping into the set.
Oh. Bro. Oh, they already serving. Okay, sorry. Okay, I won't pause after this. This might be a lie. But just the beginning, just the simplicity of it got me like pumped. Like the echoing, the bass. That's not the bass, but that part, like, I like it too. It's not even the best part, I bet. Woo, let's go. Ooh, okay, he look badass. What the hell? Wait, who is this guy? I feel like I asked that in my Mama Award performance too. Check it out on Patreon. Ooh. Oh, like Formula as in like we got the Formula, not like Formula 1. But the beat feels like it's on some racing-ish too, though. I like that part. We got the Formula. Yeah. Ooh. Bounce, wiggle. I think my favorite part is the slow down. Slow down to like initial hit for this song already. Oh, they look. Their outfits are nice. I know I can't pull that off, but you know, if I wore that, it looked totally different. But on them, they're killing. Make our own pattern. Oh, where's this? I thought it was like SoFi Stadium or something like that. Ooh, oh, that's the Formula. Boom, boom. Ooh, with them gloves. Oh, that's fire. Oh, these shots are fire too. Hey. Go Slay. Hey. Deep voice guy. Who is that? I need to learn them. I need to learn their names and faces. Woo. Hey. Hey, let's go. Formula. Ooh. Alpha Drive 1 Formula, everybody. Oh my God. Again, put a comments down below what you guys think of Formula. This basically almost feels like a whole music video with the production in this too. It is just a performance video. I can't wait to hear more from Alpha Drive 1. I don't know if they released more. I never watched the show where they were like, you know, created. Was it, what were they? It was a survival show, right? But I like it. I like it. I like the group as a whole so far. The sound at the moment. We just gotta wait and see for more. Put a comments down below. Tell me who your bias is. If you want to list out the members to help me out to learn their names and faces and etc. I'll thank you if you do that. Appreciate you. And yeah, it's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreamers dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Check out the Patreon if you haven't already. Full Mama Awards performance reaction out there for y'all. All right, y'all. Thank you, guys. Thank you for all for the support and everything you do. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Oh, my God. Who's that?
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.